payment on Making Money Online project has been $2,300 and something dollars, and the lowest has been $320 something dollars. I can't, yeah, that is the average, what I can remember. Without forgetting, I'm not putting the first payment that I got. I got like 100 something dollars, my first payment on YouTube. So, in today's video, we're going to be talking about how I've been earning on social media. Irrespective of the views that you people see, irrespective of the engagement that you see, but what has been bringing me back? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. Hopefully you're doing very great. Today's video, I'm doing it at the comfort of my studio, but on the other side of the studio. I'm not in the main studio, and I would love to share with you what drives me on a daily basis, what makes me earn the money that I earn. Because most people out there, they have a narrative of, for you to get money on social media, for you to get money on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, you have to have massive followers. You have to go viral. That's what people think out there. But what is the reality? As you have known, I've earned some good amount of money, but later the curve went down. I started earning a little bit low because of some reasons that I'll be discussing with you maybe in another video. So, good morning. You guys, I want you to listen well and to listen carefully. I'm a kind of a person that says we should not hold smartphones and beg for bread. Yes. So you are out there and you're like, oh my God, Immaculate Show gets very few views. How come they always come up and say they're earning money? What is the logic? Are you very much interested in knowing the logic? Keep with me until the end of this video. Then you'll come to know this secret and logic. By the time we end the video, I'm very sure that if you had thrown the towel, if you had given up, you're going to pick your camera, you're going to pick your phone and start doing what you're supposed to do. But before we dive into the video, the really body of the video, I would want you people to really clap and appreciate for me my top engagers. My top engagers, God bless you so much. I'm very grateful that I have you. And to you subscribers who've just come on this video, you're just watching me. You guys, you're allowing me being in your screen. I don't take it for granted. It's not for everybody that you will open. How many videos do I open for people? So I don't take it for granted. If you've come today, if you came yesterday, please, I would love you to make me know in the comment section such that we can at least give a shout out. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, there is a big disclaimer I can never forget. Most people come to, when they hear such message, they run and they start thinking they're going to trip money out of them. Like the way they are picking mangoes, you know, I'm eating mangoes here, like the way they are picking fruits, especially in the villages. That's what people think. No, it's not like that. What we give you tips of what we have used. We give you, it's an educational video. So this is a real disclaimer. So you take around 2 to 10% of what we teach you. This is what has worked for us. It is working for other people. Do your own research. If you find it can work for you, continue and do it. If it can't work for you, leave it. Bear in mind that making money online is a project. It's like a business. If you watched our previous video, It was talking about the 10 most important things for any YouTuber or any content creator, the beginners, to really know before they dive into making this. It's not just a baby joke. So guys, let's dive in. Don't get worried. You're going to know my secrets and what drives me. Now, as you have the narrative or the thinking of views, and you're seeing Immaculate Show always gets views, a few views. What makes us get views? The first one, it is our type of niche. When I'm talking our type of niche, I draw you back to our previous videos. We always tell you there are different types of videos, of niches, that makes you earn highly. The ones which are less competitive, if they make you get a high CPA, high LP, I'm not going to go into details. You can put in the comment section if you don't know. A high earning power, that is on Facebook. High earning power, that is on TikTok. If even on Instagram, there are different ways on each different platform. If you're on a blog also, even if it is a post, it has its own earning power. So now, for you who is there and you're seeing Immaculate Show, okay, you've been seeing me, but I don't always post it because most people say she's posting. No, I'm not posting for myself. I'm posting for you to know that there is money, and money is not in views. So that is the first thing for us. It's our niche. Our niche makes us score highly when we are talking about RPM and CPM. So the moment we score highly in that, it means we are going to get, even in our few views, we get good money. So that is the first one. Then the second one is having known that we get few views, how do we do it? Now, it's like I was giving an example in the previous video, like someone is getting 1,000 cars in one place, in your showroom, and you're not selling anything. Then me, I'm getting for example, 10 cars, and I'm selling them every after day. It means I'm going to get money. So me now, when I came to know my views are few, I had to make a shade and I say, I will give you, I'll reap every day. I will have to cultivate every day. I have to open every day. So this is my biggest secret, by the way. Consistency. Consistency. If I was to earn $20 in one video, and because of my views, I'm earning $5 in one video, and I want to earn $20 because my views are few, so I do 4. If I do 4, it means my $20, I'm going to get it. So imagine I'm doing a video every day, and sometimes I do 2 videos, because I told you, with social media or with content, never run to something that they have told you it pays. Run to something that it is within you, around you, that even if they wake you up, it's you want to preach against it, or you love it or you hate it. So consistency has been one of our greatest weapons. Consistent, because it has given money. These are major. I will say, I will not even go. Then the third one and the last. I don't want to clap for you very many things. The third one, we have done multiple streams of income. When I'm talking about multiple streams of income, you find us on Facebook, you find us on YouTube, you find us on digital products, you find us on freelancing. So we cannot fail to get money. If Facebook is doing wrong or doing badly, YouTube will not do badly. If YouTube is not doing badly, Facebook will not do badly. So this is why you see we come every day. And at the end of the day, we come to what we call money, which is passive. The money that is clean. The money that you don't need to struggle. You don't need to call somebody outside there. So if you like this video, you guys, and you want an expert, click like, comment, and forward it to